The first composition we want to learn about is the business letter. So we are going to ask the question, how to write a business letter. How do we write a business letter? What is a business letter? How different is a business letter from a informal, friendly letter? So a business letter is written to a non-relative recipient. That is the first point. A business letter is written to a non-relative recipient. What do we mean by this? When we say a non-relative recipient, simply put, tiri kungoti tsamba iyi hausi kuinyorera kuhama yako sezvatambotsanangura, uri kuinyorera kumunhu waunokudza, munhu waunoda kuva mubhizimusi naye. That is what we mean by a non-relative recipient. Then secondly, it is written only for communication in relation to a particular business matter that must be attended to. So here we were asking and answering the question, it is written to who? Who is the recipient? This is the question we were asking and answering here. Secondly, we now want to answer the question, what is the reason for writing it? So what is the reason for writing it? The reason for writing a business letter is this. It is written only for communication purposes. Concerning a particular business matter So the reason why this type of letter is written, it is written for communication purposes concerning a particular business matter that must be attended to. Let us give an example. You are looking for a job, and in order for you to get a job, you write a business letter to a certain company asking for that job. So the particular business matter that you want to attend to is your quest. Kuda kwenyu imimi kuti muwane basa, you see? So that is an example of a business letter. You can give a few examples of business letters. You are writing to a non-relative recipient, meaning the one who is going to receive the letter is not necessarily your relative. It is possible to write a business letter to a relative, but in that context, the relative, you are relating with that person on business matters, not on your relationship as relatives. Ndiri kuti chi, ndiri kuti zvinoita kuti unyore tsamba iri business letter kuhama yako, asi kana uchinyora tsamba iyi hausi kunyorera sekunge uri kunyorera hama, asi uri kunyorera munhu waune ukama naye, asi uchitsvaga basa kwaari, kana kuti uine zvebhizimusi zvaruda kutaura naye. Mapaona. So chakanyanya kukosha, what is the most important when it comes to a business letter is acknowledging that the purpose of writing it is concerning a particular business matter which must be attended to. It can be written when applying for a certain job. So occasions where we can write a business letter, let us put them down. So it can be written when, let me put in note form number 1, you are applying for a certain job, like we have used in our example. When you are applying for a certain job. Then secondly, complaining about something. So it can be a complaint, complaining about something. So let me explain a little what we mean when we say complaining about something. When you get into any formal shop, be it OK, be it TM, they always provide you with a number which has something to do with customer care. They can then provide you with an email address. We are going to discuss about this, or give you an address of one of their offices or their headquarters, where you can write a letter complaining about, let us say, EU customer service you have received in one of their shops. Pamunopinda maoke mchitenga zvinhu mukacherechedza, muchaona kuti vanokupai either pane chamatenga chacho, mukaverenga zvese zvinenge zviripo panenge paine nhamba, poita inonzi email address, poita zvakare an address, business address yekune maoffices avo. Munogona kunyora tsamba yekucomplaina, kunyunyuta. Kana musina kubatwa zvakanaka maOK, you can complain to the management of OK that a certain tiller or other OK worker is not offered proper customer care to you. So that is the second occasion on which you can write a business letter. Then lastly, you can write a business letter about requesting for certain services. So requesting for certain services, like this. So these are just examples of occasions under which you can write a business letter. You can write a business letter applying for a certain job. You can write a business letter complaining about something. You can write a business letter requesting for certain services. Those are the 3 reasons or main reasons why business letters are written.